The Chinese wording for Nordson is the pronunciation is very close to English, but the most important, most successful for the translation of Nordson in Chinese is the meaning for promise made and promise fulfilled. The timing for us to invest in China. Firstly, we set up the representative office in China instead of distributions. Yeah, because during that time, all the competition, they later come or they already come. They are using the distributors. That's why Nordson has big influence. A lot of people know Nordson because Nordson is the first foreign company under the name of China ahead of all the competitions in this industry and beyond. A lot of industry, they enter China with a very small scale. And also, I think the location we've chosen, Shanghai, is an economic center. And also the vision behind the investment, just because the management team saw the huge long-term potential for the economy and the customer development in China. During that time, we have a very strong global team, like PSD management led by Don McLean, Tom Kaikondo, and Brett Davis. They take the lead and they, arranged everything. And also they hired the local people. And I was the first one, China. I think they choose the people with the nature of loyalty and hardworking and smart. I think the very important points was customer care. Just because, we deliver Nordson products into China, and mainly we want to help a customer and support them to be success. And also we should let the customer understand that we are not selling product, and we provide support, and we work with them together. So I think this is very important. And we fully understand what's their needs and what's the bottleneck for their further growth, so we can offer a tailor-made proposal to support them be success and help them to increase product quality and the productivity and even the safety. We do both, right? We keep the original customer by excellent service, and also we did a lot of quite a successful new business development. So we have two legs to walk. So the customer relationship I mentioned, then I think Nordson excellent products and experience in applications and a know-how in certain industries. I think this is a very good, very strong backbone for us to have a lot of new market development. Of course, and along with the local team growing up, we also accumulate a lot of local experiences. Even now, the tiering strategy is still quite suitable for China market, different tiers of the product. We've done great job in the new market development in China as well. For example, you may heard about electronics. In those kind of industry, before there are only cold glue application, but afterwards we did quite a bit of job to work with electronics market, help them to change from cold to hot to pure. So our unit system has done a great job. I think China made value should be supported by innovation, which provides us a lot of opportunities as well. For example, we will have a good opportunities in textile, clothing, shoes, phones, tablets, and some others. So I think we got to prepare for those kind of a new market. Of course, I think the people is also very important. We need to have solid retention plan to keep and attract the valuable employees to join us.